Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and we can see a sideways market. We can see that we do not have a clear trend present on the chart of gold, and we can expect the same to remain for the next 1 or 2 days. Because if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold steadies eyes on Fed meeting. Gold holds steady as investors focus on Fed meeting. You can see gold prices were steady on Tuesday and set for a third straight monthly gain as market participants awaited the US Federal Reserve policy decision and non-farm payrolls data due later this week for interest rate cues. Yes, do not forget the first Friday of the coming month is also coming, and as we all know, first Friday of every month is very important for us because it's the NFP day. So till then, okay, we can expect the market to remain within the range. At this moment, we can see the selling pressure is little high. Market is almost standing at this support of 2322. But okay, if market breaks also, you can expect the market to stay within this range only. Okay, so let's discuss one by one then. And my dear friends, as you can see on the screen that I have an announcement to make. And finally, we are having a meetup in Dubai. The date is 18th May. I will announce the exact time and venue later. It's the first time we have a limited number of seats, and if you stay in Dubai or nearby area, you are most welcome to join. We will have a great time. We will talk, laugh, discuss about trading, and the best part is that we will also be having experts who will enlighten us about the forex industry. How does the industry work? Some dark secrets about the industry, how the institutions and brokers perform their work, and some creepy revelations that we will not find online. It's a free registration, my dear friends. So if you're free that day, please join us for a lovely time and good food. The link of the registration form is in the description. Okay, we are back on the chart of gold. So, my dear friends, as we all know, before any major event like NFP, market usually prefers to stay sideways or markets stay within a range. What is the range of gold right now? The range of gold seems to be 23502 to 2300. So, this is the range of gold. And if you look at the economic calendar, we can see that today we do not have any major event. So, we can more or less expect the present market sentiment to dominate. Okay, so if you trade on euro pairs, then you need to be careful because we have inflation rate and GDP growth rate coming up for euro. Okay, so euro pairs may be volatile, but gold lovers, okay, you can expect the same market sentiment to continue. It means that at this moment, okay, we can clearly see that market is sideways. It means that number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, or market is waiting for a proper direction. So if you have any ongoing position, suppose you have a buy, you can be on the trade. If you have a sell, then also you can be on the trade. And if you are stuck in a position, because many of you have emailed me that you have hedged your position, you are waiting for an exit, then if you are waiting for an exit, then you need to have a direction in the market. At this moment we don't have direction, so it's time for you to wait and watch. Okay, and if you're looking for fresh positions in the market, then this is not the ideal time for swing traders and position traders. As a day trader, you can look for quick entry and exit, or in simple words, you can look for a level to level trading, or level to level trading seems to be the best trading strategy as of now, as we do not have any direction in the market. Okay. And my dear friends, if you're also tired of Telegram signals and looking for a proper solution, then Chart Prime can be the best option for you. Chart Prime not only generates buy and sell signals on the chart, but also helps you in your analysis, because Chart Prime has three powerful indicators: Market Oracle, Market Dynamics, and Prime Oscillator. You can see Market Oracle generates buy and sell signals at this moment. Okay, when I'm recording the video, you can see already it has generated a strong sell sign, and we can see market is going down. Apart from the market oracle pro signals, the prime oscillator pro also generates buy and sell signals here. And the best part is that, okay, those who prefer to trade on momentum, do their own analysis, chart prime oscillator pro also marks the divergences for you. So my reference, you can also check out their tutorials page. They have a long list of videos where you can learn about the indicators. And right now, okay, these are the three offers they are having. You can initially go with the premium monthly and just check out their performance. If you don't like it, you can just ask for refund because they also have the 7 days money back guarantee. But I'm pretty sure you will love the performance of Chart Prime. So feel free to check out Chart Prime. The link is in the description. So you can see that the levels that we discussed in our previous video, the Saturday video, are still very much valid here. At this moment, market is trying to take support around 2322, 2322, and if you already have pressed the buy button, you can be on the trade. You can expect a move of 30 to 40 pips. I'm not saying that market doesn't have the potential to reverse from here, but okay, at least you can expect a safe target of 40 pips. Okay, so if you have taken, be on the trade. But when you're watching the video, if you see the by the time, okay, market is already down because selling pressure is a little high here, then you can look for the next buy around 2315 and second buy around 2305. So these are the two levels where we can look for a quick bounce of 40 pips for the day. Why only 40 pips, not a complete trend reversal? Because we do not have a clear direction in the market, and we can clearly see the market doesn't have much volume. By the US session, if market surprises us with heavy volume, that's a different thing. But at this moment, we can simply see the volume is little missing. Okay, so 2315. Why 2315? We're considering as a good level to buy because we can clearly see we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, market is taking support around this area previously. But if you see that suddenly there is a heavy selling in the market is going down with big red candles, in that case, you only need to look for buy around 2305 or 2300. Okay, and I don't think so before NFP market will break 2290. Remember 2290, the low made by the market. I don't think so market will break it, and we can look for a sell below 2290, but at this moment chances of market going below 2290 are very less. But yes, the opportunity is still very much valid. Okay, so we have three support on the chart of gold: 2322 where market is already standing, then we have 2315 and 2300 or 2305. Okay, and as we do not have a clear trend in the market, so we are expecting a bounce. Clear? And if market goes up from here, let's say by the US session market starts going up from here, then we can look for a quick sell around 2350 to 2355. This is the level where you can look for a sell around this area. Then we have second selling opportunity around 2360 to 61 and 2377 to 2380. These are the three levels where we can look for a sell. Today, as we do not have any major event coming up, as we can clearly see that at this one market is mostly waiting for a news. That's why we are expecting some reversal trades. We are not discussing about buy at support. No, we are not discussing about buy at dip, sell on rise, nothing else. Because we are traders, we need to be flexible according to the situation. So at this moment, okay, market is not very volatile. So we are simply looking for level to level trading only. So let's draw FIBO from the top to bottom right now. Okay. You can see here we have drawn FIBO from top to bottom here. Okay. And we have new levels here. So at first, let's discuss about 2377, 2380 because you can see FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, the previous support will be working as resistance. 2400 is there, too far away. Okay, let's not talk about it. So 2377, 2380 is a level, good level. But before 2377, 2380, we have the next resistance around 2361. Okay, 2361 because of FIBO 50% retracement level, and you can see the same logic. The previous support will be working as resistance. So these two levels are good levels. during the US session also, if market goes up with volume, we can look for a reversal if market shows price ejection from below. But we also discuss about 2350 because 2350 is a round number, and if the volume or volatility of the market remains like this, then 2350 will be a difficult level for the market to cross. Why? Because to break any level, volume is extremely important. In absence of volume, market cannot break any support, any raises in any market of the world. So volume will be important. During the European session, Asian session, market will find it very difficult to break it. During the US session, hard to tell. But 2360, 237780, these two levels seem to be a good level. So let's wait and watch whether market reverses from there or not. And as a day trader, okay, if you do not have much patience, you are looking for some quick levels, then what you can do is, okay, you can simply switch to 15 minutes time frame. You can see I have switched to 15 minutes time frame and just draw FIBO from the top of the chart to the lowest point of the chart. At this moment, okay, at this moment we do not have any sign of retracement. But if market bounces from here, okay, if market bounces from here, then you can expect some selling around 2328 as a day trader. Okay, but as we were saying that market is have showing high selling pressure, so I don't think so market will reverse from here at this moment. But when you will be watching the video, then you can do the analysis. Suppose market bar reverses from 2322, okay, or market reverses from 2315, then okay, you just bring FIBO, okay, till here, and then you can do your own analysis. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.